Hi dear students, welcome to Mandawad Maths Academy. So today we are going to start the transpose of matrix and what is the relation between symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. So we have seen in the previous class types of matrices, row matrix, column matrix and so on. So let's start the transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? Suppose A is any matrix interchanging its rows and columns. So whatever resultant matrix, that is called as transpose of a given matrix. Suppose for example, A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is A. What is transpose of matrix? Transpose of matrix is denoted by A power like this T. Means you can write these rows in terms of columns, means A11, A12 and A221, A22. So this is the now this is called transpose of a given matrix A. Suppose let I consider example A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. So this is R1 and this is R2. You can write this into columns, means A transpose is equals to 1, 5 and 6, 5. So this is called as 6, 7. So this is called as transpose of a given matrix. So this depends, symmetric matrix depends on the definition of transpose of a matrix. If you know the transpose of a matrix, then you can easily define the symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Suppose A equal to A transpose. If A equal to A transpose, this implies that A is a symmetric matrix. A is symmetric matrix. What is A equal to A transpose? Means if we take the transpose of a given matrix, so we get the similar matrix, then that matrix is called as symmetric matrix. Suppose for example, A equal to 2, 3, 3, 5. We take transpose of this, what we get? A transpose equal to 2, 3, means you can write like this 2, 3, again 3, 5, 3, 5. So A and A transpose both are equal, yes or no? A equal to A transpose. So this is called as the given matrix is symmetric matrix, means this A is a symmetric matrix. If we change the rows and columns, interchange the rows and columns, so we get the given question, means given matrix. So that matrix is called as symmetric matrix. Is it clear? Next, what is skew-symmetric matrix? If A equal to minus A transpose, means we take the transpose of a given matrix, so that is a negative of a given matrix, so that is called as skew-symmetric matrix. Means A is called skew-symmetric matrix. Skew-symmetric matrix. Suppose for example, A equal to 0, 0, 0. You can remember in the skew-symmetric matrix, the diagonal element should be 0. 1, suppose minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. So what is the transpose of this matrix? Transpose of matrix is A transpose equal to, you should write this first row in terms of first column 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 3 and minus 2, 3, 0. So we compare these two. What is the difference between A and A transpose? Only minus sign is there. Suppose we take minus outside, what we get? A transpose equal to minus, or we take from this A equal to minus outside. We take minus outside, what we get? 0, minus 1, minus 2. Here 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0. So what is this? A equal to minus, what is this? This is the A transpose, means A equal to minus A transpose, that is called as skew-symmetric matrix. Is it clear? Symmetric matrix means A equal to A transpose, A is called symmetric matrix. Skew-symmetric, A equal to minus A transpose, so that is called skew-symmetric matrix. So next you can remember, this is very important note. What is that note? Every square matrix, means we take any square matrix, so that should be, you can write, can be written uniquely expressed as sum of, what is mean by sum? Sum is addition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. You can remember every square matrix that can be uniquely expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let us start the example of this node. Suppose I take A is any square matrix, so that can be expressed as symmetric matrix of this A plus skew symmetric matrix. So you can remember this node, every square matrix, this A should be square matrix that can be uniquely expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So always you can remember symmetric matrix that can be expressed as A plus A transpose, means sum of this A and A transpose divided by 2, plus skew symmetric matrix is difference between them, A minus A transpose by 2. Means if you want to find the A symmetric matrix, then you can take the addition of A and A transpose divided by 2. So we get the symmetric matrix, and skew symmetric matrix is A minus A transpose divided by 2. So we can add these two, we get again A. Suppose for verification, A by 2 plus A transpose by 2 plus A by 2 minus A transpose by 2. So this cancel, minus plus A by 2, 2A by 2. So this implies that A. Means you can remember always. So for our convenience, you can write this symmetric matrix can be expressed as A plus A transpose divided by 2, and skew symmetric matrix is A minus A transpose divided by 2. So if we do simplification, what we get answer? A. So this is a given example A. What is A? A equal to 157 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 8 to 13. So what is the question? This can be expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So first we need to find A transpose. I want A transpose. What is A transpose? A transpose is nothing but 1 minus 1 8. We can write these columns into row and rows into columns. This 5, then minus 2 2, then 7 minus 4 13. So this is a A transpose. I want symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix formula? Symmetric matrix is A plus A transpose by 2, means 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose. What is A? 1 by 2 as it is. A is 1 5 7 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 8 to 13, plus what is A transpose? 1 minus 1 8, 5 minus 2 2, 7 minus 4 13. So this is A transpose. You can add this two. 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2, add the corresponding elements of a matrix. You can add corresponding elements, means 1 plus 1 is 5 plus minus 1, 7 plus 8, minus 1 plus 5, minus 2 plus minus 2, like that. Okay. So what we get addition? 1 plus 1, 2. Yes, very good. 5 plus minus 1. 5 plus minus 1, 4. 7 plus 8, 15. Minus 1 plus 5, 4. Minus 2, minus of plus of minus 2 means minus 4. Next, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. 8 plus 7, 15. 2 plus minus 4, minus 2. 13 plus 13, 26. What is this? This is a symmetric matrix. Next, we can find skew symmetric matrix and add them. So let us consider this is symmetric matrix. Next is skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? 1 by 2. A minus A transpose. What is A? 1 by 2. A is this, minus A transpose is this. You can do same corresponding element subtraction. 1 minus 1, 8. 5 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 4, 13. Here 1 minus 1, 8. 5 minus 2, 2, 7 minus 4, 13, 1 by 2. You can do corresponding element subtraction. What we get? 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus of minus 1 means 6. 7 minus 8 minus 1. Am I right? Next, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 0 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 8 minus 7 8 minus 7 1 2 minus of minus plus 4 6 13 minus 13 0. You can remember always in skew symmetric matrix diagonal element should be 0 and this a11 a21 are the opposite of this same number but opposite sign, positive negative positive negative positive negative. Okay, same number here also 4 4 15 15 minus 2 minus 2, here same number same sign, so diagonal element we don't know. Okay, now what is that theorem says that a equal to half of means symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. If we add this we get again question same. Okay, 1 by 2 1 by 2 outside, yes or no? Here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 outside. What is symmetric matrix? This means 2 4 15 4 minus 4 minus 2 15 minus 2 26. This is the symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? 0 6 minus 1 minus 6 0 minus 6 1 6 0. Add this and divided by 2. What we get? If we add this, what we get? 2 plus 0 2, 4 plus 6 10. Yes or no? This 14 15 minus 1 14, 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 4 0 minus 4. Next minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 15 plus 1 16 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 plus 6 4. Next 26 plus 0 26. If we divide by this 2, what we get? Answer this side like right. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 2s are 2 13s are. Is it question? Yes. We observe this 1 5 7 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 8 2 13. So this is the required answer. Okay, next example. This is a given example that can be expressed in terms of symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. So in the previous example we have seen, so this is called symmetric matrix and this is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now first we need to direct shall I substitute in this? We get answer A. I take RHS. What is RHS? 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. 1 by 2 outside, you can write A. What is A? A is this, means 1 0 5 3 minus 2 1 6 1 3 2 7 1. Here minus 4 sorry plus 4 minus 4 2 0. So this is A. Am I right? Next we take plus A transpose. What is A transpose? A transpose is nothing but we take 1 0 5 3 1 0 5 3. Next minus 2 1 6 1, this one. Next third row 3 2 7 1. Next 4 minus 4 2 0. So this is A plus A transpose. Yes. Next plus 1 by 2. Next A minus A transpose. 1 0 5 3 minus 2 1 6 1 3 2 7 1 4 minus 4 2 0. So this is A. minus A transpose. What is A transpose? 1 minus 2 3 4 0 1 2 minus 4 5 6 7 2 next 3 1 1 0. So this is A transpose. Okay, we can add this to A plus A transpose. 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus minus 2 minus 2, 5 plus 3 8, 3 plus 4 7. So this is A plus A transpose. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus minus 4 minus. Next 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 6 8, 7 plus 7 14, 1 plus 2 3, 4 plus 3 7, minus 4 plus 3 minus 3, 2 plus 1 3, 0 plus 0 0. So this is 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2. Now A minus A transpose. 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus of minus plus 2, 0 plus 2 2, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Is it okay? Next minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, 1 minus 1 0. Next 6 minus 2 4, 1 minus of minus this 5, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 7 minus 7 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Is it okay? Next 4 minus 3 1, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, 0 minus 0 0. So this is 1 by 2 skew symmetric matrix. We take 1 by 2 outside. Okay, 2 plus 0 2. Next minus 2 plus minus plus 2 means 0. 8 plus this 2 10, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 6, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 0 2, 8 4 12, minus 3 5 2, 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 4 4, 14 0 14, 3 minus 1 2, 7 1 8, minus 3 minus 7 minus 10, 3 plus 1 4, 0 0 0. So this is symmetric matrix, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. You can divide, we get answer this 1 by 2. You can divide this each element by 2, 2 ones are 2, 0 as it is. Here 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are, next 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 1s are. Here 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are 0. So this is the required A. Is it A? So this is LHS. Hence proved. Okay. Next topic, transpose conjugate of a matrix. So I already explained in the unitary matrix what is transpose conjugate of a matrix. Suppose A is any matrix which having the entries are complex numbers and real numbers. So we take first what is meant by conjugate of a matrix. Suppose a complex number 2 plus 3i. So what is the conjugate of this? This is 2 minus 3i. Suppose I take only 3i. What is conjugate? Minus 3i. Okay. So we take the opposite sign of the imaginary number. So that is the conjugate of a number. What is transpose conjugate matrix? We know the transpose of matrix interchanging rows and columns. So what is transpose conjugate matrix? Transpose conjugate matrix of A is denoted by A power theta. And this is defined as we take transpose then conjugate or the conjugate transpose means we take the conjugate of A then we take transpose. What is conjugate of A? conjugate of A is nothing but that elements, we take each element, conjugate of each element of a matrix. Okay. So first, if we are going to find the transpose conjugate matrix, then first we take the transpose of this, or we can take conjugate of a matrix. What is conjugate of this matrix? 1 minus 2i conjugate 1 plus 2i. Next 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i. Next 3 plus 4i, 3 minus 4i. So this is the conjugate of each element. Next 4 plus 5i. Next 5 minus 6i, 6 plus 7i. So this each element is a conjugate of the corresponding element. Here what is the conjugate of 8? Minus 8? No. You can remember always real number as it is, we take the opposite sign of the only imaginary number. 7 plus 8i, 7 minus 8i is the conjugate, 7 is as it is. So this is a conjugate of given matrix. Now I want again transpose. What is 8 theta? A theta is nothing but 8 conjugate transpose. Means we take the transpose of this matrix. What is transpose? 1 plus 2i, 2 minus 3i, 3 minus 4i. We can write this first row in terms of first column. Means 4 plus 5i, 5 minus 6i, 6 plus 7i, 8, 7 plus 8i, 7 minus 8i, here 7. So this is the required transpose conjugate of a matrix. Yes, is it clear? So this is your homework, or you can do here. What is B conjugate? B conjugate is 1 plus I. Next this 2 as it is, 4 as it is. Next 2i means what is the conjugate of 2i? Minus 2i. Then here minus 2 real number as it is, I conjugate minus I. Here 5 as it is. Next minus I plus minus 3. This real number sign as it is. Okay, you can remember. Next 2 minus I. Here plus I minus 8. So this is a required conjugate of a B. Next you can find B theta. B theta is nothing but B conjugate transpose. Means what we get? 1 plus I, then minus 2i, then minus I minus 3, then here 4 minus I minus 2, 2 minus I, and here 4, 5 I minus 8. So this is a required transpose. Next it is very important, Hermitian matrix and Skew-Hermitian matrix. So we already seen the symmetric matrix and Skew-Symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix is the only for real numbers. Hermitian and Skew-Hermitian matrix are the for the complex entries also. Means A is called Hermitian matrix if A equal to A theta. What is A theta? Already I have explained. A theta is nothing but transpose conjugate of matrix A. What is transpose conjugate of matrix A? A equal to A conjugate transpose. Another definition, A equal to A theta is nothing but A equal to A conjugate transpose. Or you can write A transpose equal to A conjugate. So this is the definition of Hermitian matrix. What is the Hermitian matrix? A equal to A power theta, or A equal to A conjugate transpose, or A transpose equal to A conjugate. So this is the Hermitian matrix. Next Skew-Hermitian matrix, if A equal to minus A theta. What is our another definition? A equal to minus A conjugate transpose. A minus A conjugate transpose. So this is called as Skew-Hermitian matrix. So this is Hermitian matrix. For example, A is given 4, 1 plus 3i, 1 minus 3i, 7. So if we take the conjugate or A theta, so if A equal to A theta, that implies that this given matrix is Hermitian matrix. If A equal to minus A theta, So that is called as Skew-Hermitian matrix. We can verify this is a Hermitian matrix. What is A? A is this. What is A conjugate? A conjugate is nothing but 4. We take the opposite sign of imaginary part. 1 minus 3i. Here 1 plus 3i is 7. Next we can find A theta. What is A theta? A conjugate transpose. We take conjugate of this. We have taken conjugate. Now we take transpose. Means 4, 1 minus 3i, 1 plus 3i, and this 7. Is it question? Yes or no? Means this is equals to A. This implies that the given matrix is Hermitian matrix. Okay. Now we can find the A conjugate of this. What is the conjugate of this? 3i minus 3i conjugate plus 3i. 2 plus I, 2 minus I. Here minus 2 minus I. So this is the conjugate of this. Next we take conjugate of minus I plus I. Now I want A power theta. What is A power theta? A conjugate transpose. We take transpose of this 3i. Next 2 minus I, nothing but 2 plus, here 2 minus I. Next minus 2 minus I, here plus I. We take minus outside. What is remaining here? Minus outside minus 3i. Minus outside is 2 plus I. Am I right? Here minus outside. Minus outside. What is remaining? Minus 2 plus I. Here minus I. Is it question? Yes or no? 2 are the same. So therefore, this can be written as minus A. So that implies that A theta equal to minus A. This implies that the given matrix is Skew-Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix, Skew-Hermitian matrix. Every square matrix, A that can be uniquely expressed as the sum of A can be expressed as sum of Hermitian matrix plus sum of Hermitian matrix and Skew-Hermitian matrix. So you can remember every square matrix that can be expressed as Hermitian matrix and Skew-Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix is nothing but 1 by 2 A plus A power theta plus Skew-Hermitian 1 by 2 A minus A power theta. So this is the important note you can remember. Every square matrix that can be uniquely expressed as sum of Hermitian matrix and Skew-Hermitian matrix. What is Hermitian matrix? A plus A power theta 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 A minus A power theta. I will give one example. You can do your homework. Write an example. This is the homework we can try. You can express this matrix as the A equal to 1 by 2 A plus A theta plus 1 by 2 A minus A theta. Expressed as A equal to 1 by 2 A plus A theta plus 1 by 2 A minus A theta. So what is this? This is the Hermitian matrix and this is the Skew-Hermitian matrix. Okay. If this video is helpful for you, you can like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.